Elsa. Yes? Hi. Oh, hi girls. I wanted to make some salad today. Would you like to help me? Oh, that sounds like so much fun, Anna. Do you want to help? Yeah, I think that would be great. Okay, girls, let's get all our materials and we'll start making some salad. All right. Okay, I'm gonna start out first with all our leaves of lettuce. I'll count all the leaves as I put them into our salad bowl. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 green leaves of lettuce. Can I add something to our salad? Sure, Elsa. I've got some purple onions here. Do you want to count those up and put them in? Yes, I would. Okay, I'll count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 pieces of onion. Great job. Okay, now I will put them into our salad. It's looking good already. Okay, Anna, it's your turn. This is avocado. They're green. Will you count them up for us? Okay, let's see how many pieces of avocado we have. 1, 2, 3. 3 pieces of avocado for our salad. That's right, now toss them in. Mmm, so yummy looking. Oh wow, Sparkle Spice, it looks like you have red peppers here. I see 1, 2, 3 slices of red pepper for our salad. I will just put those in the bowl. All right, Anna, come on, it's your turn now. Oh, great. Mmm, these smell delicious. I think it's cucumber. That's right, Anna. How many pieces of cucumber do we have? 1, 2, 3. 3 slices of yummy cucumber. I'm so glad that's going in our salad. Yum. Oh, look at these slices of red, ripe tomato. So juicy looking. There's 1, 2, 3 slices of tomato for the salad. I have to get those in quick. I see some yellow peppers here. They're so healthy for you. There's 1, 2, 3 slices of yellow peppers. I think our salad is almost complete. It's looking so good. That's right, girls. I just have these carrot sticks left. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 orange carrot sticks. Why don't you help me stir it up? Okay, let's see if we can mix it all together. Oh, it's looking so delicious. I can't wait to try it. That looks good. Let's get it in our bowls now. It's almost ready. We'll just add a little bit of salt for taste. And then we'll use this olive oil and lemon juice for some dressing. A little bit of lemon juice in each and a little bit of olive oil. I also brought some juices for you girls. We have apple juice and lemonade. So yummy. What a good salad. Oh yes, I agree. It's so delicious. Thanks for your help, girls. I think I'll make a fruit salad now. Here's a red strawberry. And a yellow banana. A purple plum. A green lime. An orange. Purple grapes. green apple. Yellow lemon. Red tomato. Red apple. All of our fruits in the bowl now. We can mix it up. Okay, girls, here's some fruit salad for you. Why don't you give it a try? Looks so delicious. I'm gonna dig in. Orange and lemon and strawberries. So yummy. Such a good fruit salad. Well guys, that's it for this video. It was so much fun making our vegetable and fruit salads. Do you remember who put the green avocado in our salad? Was it Anna or Elsa? If you know the answer, leave it in the comment section. And if you'd like to see more fruit and vegetable salads, like and subscribe. And until next time, bye! Thanks for watching this episode of the Sparkle Spice channel. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you're new. Also, make sure to come back for more fun videos. Thanks for commenting, and I'll see you in the next one. And a scooper and an ice cream tub. Oh, I can't wait to get this open and play with it. The scooper magically lifts and releases the ice cream. Wow! Let's get all the pieces out of our box so we can start playing. Here we go.